Hey, it's Michael Saul, also known as Tiny, and this is the market video for the week of March 3rd, 2014. Now, usually I do this video over the weekend, but since we were opening up with a pretty nice sized gap down at the Futures Open on Sunday, March 2nd, I decided, you know what, I'm going to wait to do this around the opening of Monday. So let's quickly take a look at what happened last week. Last week we had this consolidation setting up. And if you remember, or you can go back and watch the video, I had said that I was looking for an expansion move there. And that even though I leaned to the upside, I wasn't highly confident because the last time we set up in one of these patterns, we wound up rolling over. So I'm not sitting here trying to pat myself on the back saying, well, I knew this was going higher. No, that was the way I was leaning, but I didn't have the uber confidence in it. So anyway, we pushed higher, then we went sideways, and then actually last Thursday was the only really good day you could see for the bulls. We opened lower and then closed at the highs. Then Friday was a good day too. It closed higher, but it couldn't close off the highs, and that's because all the Russia-Ukraine stuff, which is some major saber rattling going on here, and that spilled over to the weekend, and that led to the gap down. Now, my opinion, this type of news is not how a market high is put in. All right, we are still in an uptrend. We are still in a strong uptrend, and these kind of events can lead to short-term volatility, but oftentimes this short-term volatility provides very nice opportunity. All right, so as I'm watching this, you can see we're already trying to get a bounce here. I am watching this to see if it can get back, going, and if it could just resume the up move. I don't know what the United States, how they're going to intervene in all this. I don't know what the outcome is going to be. In my opinion, I think it will end as being a non-event for the market, but obviously whenever there's war and people are killed and stuff, it's not a non-event for them, right? But talking on a pure market level, that's what I'm looking at. Okay, so I don't think it's going to be the thing that turns the market. All right, I still believe we're in an uptrend. Let's take a quick look at the other. Well, I mean, I know we're in an uptrend. We're still making higher highs and higher lows, but I still believe we have more to go in this uptrend. I guess is a better. Is something that I want to communicate better than just, we're in an uptrend. No kidding. All right. So the NASDAQ, that also hit a new high but formed a doji. It's also pulling back. You want to watch the 20 EMA. The Russell, which had been lagging, caught up, hit a new high. Now you can see here, as I'm recording this on Monday, it's down 1%. So it's already back, trying to pull back here, but it did hit the new high. The mid-caps are already there. And the Dow was the only index that was lagging as far as chart position. It was not at new highs. All right, that's also pulling back here too. But I mean, I'm still thinking the Dow is gonna hit the new highs and have all the major indexes in sync. At least be at new highs, or had been at new highs. With the exception of the NASDAQ, which would just be at multiple year highs, before we see a significant pullback. So as far as I'm concerned, this is just a pullback. Maybe it can get to the correction stage, but I think it's one day at a time here. I think it's very important not to throw the entire bull trend out the window just because of a geopolitical situation. Okay, I mean, quite frankly, I don't want to be rude to the Russians or the Ukrainians, and that's not what I mean by this. But, unless it's happening in the U.S., the U.S. market kind of brushes it aside, So, I mean, I'm not saying that it's not something serious. That's not what I mean, but I'm talking on a pure stock market level, okay? All right, that's it. If you have any questions, you can email me, and I will talk to you in the daily email or the newsletter, which is taking a little break because I've been sick. I was sick the past week, but you can always email me, check the website, or get on the daily mailing list. Okay, I will talk to you in next week's video, and have a great trading week.